Okay, so it's not just me. Mechanical keyboards are outrageously expensive, like $200, $300, and it blows my mind. Why are they so expensive? So today I'm gonna see if a $30 mechanical keyboard is actually worth it, if it's legit, if it's something that you guys should consider buying. So for 30 bucks, I think it's worth checking out. Alright guys, Andre here from Cyberpunk Tech. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be checking out the Aukey 87 key mechanical keyboard. Now on Amazon.com this retails for about $30, which is a sweet price point, while on Amazon.ca it's like 70 bucks. But if you are careful and you look out for that deal, you can also get it for around 30 bucks. So definitely keep an eye out. Links will be down in the description below. I purchased this for my brother. He's always wanted a mechanical keyboard, that good clicky feel. I've got another one over there, but it's just something that gamers, people that are PC enthusiasts, just love hearing. That satisfying click, that keystroke. Everyone loves it. It is super satisfying, and this $30 mechanical keyboard can actually suffice that need for that click in your life. This Aukey 87 key keyboard actually features Otemu blue switches, which is weird because Otemu, I haven't heard of these before. I've heard of cherry, MX, brown, blue, orange, red, purple, rainbow, whatever. But again, Otemu is just Aukey's blue switch, and these are actually rated for about 50 million keystrokes with 60 grams of actualization force, which is actually pretty solid for a $30 mechanical keyboard. In terms of build quality, it is made of durable ABS plastic with like a metal finish kind of thing. Super nice, very durable. Actually, it's super impressed with the build quality for 30 bucks. What you're getting is probably the best bang for the buck. It's not a Corsair keyboard, it's not Razer, but it definitely suffices and satisfies that need for the click if that's been lacking in your life. I picked this up for my brother. He wanted to do some gaming and he's been absolutely loving it. I tried playing with it as well. When you're actually gaming, there's no latency just because it's a $30 keyboard. You don't see any issues compared to just regular gaming keyboards. This thing being 10 keyless, it's not flashy. It doesn't have any LEDs. It's got 2 blue LEDs for your caps lock and your num lock. Simple, basic stuff that your basic looking keyboard. But it's super nice for 30 bucks. I think it's something that everyone can purchase, everyone can enjoy. Just because we can't really afford $200 keyboards, $300 keyboards. It's just such outrageous price points that why? I get RGB, flashes, USB pass-throughs, but still, there's no simple options except this one. They also offer another model with RGBs. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. I can make a video about that. So let me know down in the comments below, and definitely make sure to give a thumbs up to this video if you've always wanted a mechanical keyboard and now this may be the one that will make it over on your desk. Thank you guys for watching. This was a very awesome short little video. Again, thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.